This is my favorite place to find and use sound effects in my video projects. And yeah, it's 100% free. And free always makes me happy. Head to the SoundQ and download it. And once you open the application, click on the freesound.org and search for the sound effects you want. Play a few times until you find one that you like. You can either drag and drop through this button, or the best part is you can instantly send it into your timeline through this button.